Hello, wonderful cook. We're back with the cook along series and we're doing page 134. And as it's almost Christmas when we're posting this, it's a Christmas recipe. It'll be great for Christmas. Great for any time of the year. It's lentil and cauliflower stuffed zucchinis. So we've got a zucchini here. I've got 4 zucchinis actually. I'm just going to show you how we cut it down lengthways. Keep the ends on because they will hold nicely. And then you just scoop out. You hold it so that it doesn't snap because sometimes if you hold it like that, the end might snap off. Um, and you just scoop out this zucchini, and you can save that zucchini to make zucchini hummus, which is in my other cookbook. Zucchini hummus is delicious. So you scoop it out like that, and we'll do it with this one as well. So I've done it with the others too. We'll just put them to the side over there, and I've prepped everything. So it's a really good idea to prep everything before you start cooking. So I've got everything prepped, and I'll get you to do that first. If you prep all the veg first, and then you can start cooking along with me. So I'm going to get some olive oil and pop that in the pan. I don't think I need my glasses. They're reading glasses. So take those off. And in there here is some spring onion, but I also, oh no, that's cauliflower. Oops. Here's some spring onion. And I also had a leek at the bottom of the fridge, so I'm using that as well. So we're going to saute that up. And then we've got some garlic, and I've got these tiny, tiny garlic. Who in the right mind would peel all of those? I guess if you're sitting watching TV, you might do that. But I don't have the time to do that. So I'm just going to put them all into my um, garlic press and press them in with the skin on. How cool is that? That's pretty cool, isn't it? So we'll just pop that into the compost area and do some more. So these are all left over from the chef training. Everyone left the little ones for me to deal with. That's all right because I've got a garlic press. And some more, and that'll do it. Now, in the recipe, it says half a garlic clove. What on earth was I thinking when I wrote that cookbook? What I do know is that I was cooking for a lot of people who didn't eat onion and garlic then, so that's probably why I only had half a garlic clove. But if you like garlic and your body can handle it, eat it because it's a good prebiotic, and we all need prebiotics. So I have it every day. I'm going to put a little bit of salt in to get that cooking down nicely. And then in the recipe book, it says some corn to take the corn off the kernel. And I actually found a mushroom and a capsicum in the bottom of the fridge, so I'm adding them. Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? I'm going to add those in. And in the recipe, it says to put the cumin in. But in the ingredients, there's no cumin. Uh-oh, all the people that were proofreading my book missed the cumin. So anyway, we're going to put a teaspoon of cumin in. Why not? So we'll pop that aside. And then we're just going to saute these. These will cook in the oven anyway. And then I boiled the cauliflower, and I boiled it with some stock instead of herb salt because I didn't have herb salt. And my stock has got nutritional yeast in it, so it's turned it yellow. But I chopped that up nice and fine. So that's already cooked. And I minced a little tomato from our garden. Woohoo! So this is a great Christmas time meal because instead of stuffing a turkey, stuff a zucchini. Why not? Much friendlier and less gross. Ugh, imagine touching a dead turkey and then the thought of eating that. It's not for me. I used to eat turkey though, and I did like it, but no longer. So just sauteing this till it slightly cooks, because of course it's going to cook again in the oven. And then I already cooked the lentils, and it says beluga beans, but you can use any lentils. So I've got Australian red lentils. And check out the link on how to cook them. I've got a video on how to cook the lentils. And so that's they're in the bowl already. We're going to put the cauliflower in the bowl. And then I've got that chopped tomato from my garden, so that's going in. And then we're going to put these veggies in. Oh, look at the colour. Sensational, sensational, sensational. That's, when I was teaching the vegan chef training, some of the chefs were laughing at me because that was my favourite word when I was talking about cooking. Sensational. So there is the stuffing mix, and now we're going to, not in a blender because I want it chunks. See, there's chunks in that. I put it in the food processor, and there was 8 tomatoes. They're small tomatoes, and some olive oil and some chili. And if you don't like chili, you don't have to put chili. So that'll help stick it all together. Now I'm going to have to do the thing that I don't like doing on film, and that is tasting. So I'll just taste it. Oh, I love it when I get the flavour right first time and I don't have to adjust. But if it wasn't right, I could have more salt, just a little bit more pepper. This is divine. Mac, we're in for a treat tonight. This is what we're having for dinner tonight. And even though it's not Christmas, but you can have this any time of the year, but I just think it would be a really good thing for Christmas. And so now we're going to stuff the zucchinis. So we've got our spoon and we've got our stuffing. We want to have it quite close because we don't want to make a big mess. Mr. Cameraman, can you see? Okay, can. So we're just filling that all up, and you can make it nice and high if you want. And I can see now I've got too much filling, but that's great because that will go in a salad or something. Let's make it nice and high because the filling is sensational. So we will fill all of those up. I'll just do one more. And I suggest pausing the film now because I'll fill them all up and come back and show you in the next step. Yay! All the zucchinis are stuffed, and I've got that much filling left, so I probably could do 5 zucchinis, but I haven't got 5 zucchinis, so I'm just going to eat that for lunch. Yum, yum, yum. And as I was making them, I was thinking, why the F don't I make these? I haven't made them since I wrote the book, and they're just so good. So we've got the rest of the sauce, and we're just going to pour the sauce around them because that will help the zucchini bake. So you could actually put the sauce in before doing the zucchini, but it doesn't matter. And then the recipe says that you can put some breadcrumbs. I've got rice crumbs on the top just to make them a little crunchy, but it's up to you whether you want to put those on or not. So I'm just putting those on, and then these will go in the oven and they'll take 25 minutes. So wow your guests or your family with these this Christmas. And anyway, you'll see them, pop them in the oven now, 25 minutes to cook, and I'll show you the finished results when they're cooked. They're ready. They could have an extra 5 minutes, but I like them a little al dente, but if you want them super soft, pop them in the oven for 5 more minutes. And silly me should have put them straight into the ceramic dish like this that can go in the oven. It's an oven proof, because then I could just serve it like that at Christmas. Or whenever I'm serving them, but it doesn't matter today because it's just going to be me and Mac eating these over the next 4 days probably, or 3 days, 2 days. And there isn't enough complete protein in this, so if you want more information on complete protein, write a comment and I'll get you my complete protein chart. And so we're going to need to eat those with some rice or quinoa. If you're making the nut roast to go along with them at Christmas, it's totally fine. There'll be plenty of protein. Bon appetit! Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. Love you!